Hey, my name is Ayan, and I am a visual designer at Google. An edge case is a situation within a product experience that the product team doesn't think is very likely to happen, or that is without or outside of the typical flow within that product. When you're trying to figure out what the edge cases are for your product, you really need to actually sit down with users and see how their life actually shakes out with your product. Often what you think is going to happen when your app is in the hands of a user is actually not what happens. And so identifying those cases is really key to creating a harmonious experience when things don't go the way that you plan for them to. An edge case that I've worked on semi-recently, I was the visual design lead on the Messages product at Google. It's our texting solution. And as I was creating that brand, differentiating visually RCS, which is the future of texting, things like typing indicators, versus SMS, somewhat of the past of texting, the typical protocol that you would use to text your mom, let's say. Creating a visual system that would work harmoniously in these two supposedly separate experiences meant that on the off case that your phone loses access, you would still have a harmonious experience. So as a visual designer, I really wanted to make sure that these two spaces that we didn't intend to ever live together still would make sense if it did. And actually, in practice, that happened quite a bit. So when you see screenshots of our texting app, you'll notice that whether or not it's an RCS versus SMS, or maybe a combination of the both, it should still look beautiful. As we were working on this project and really creating a new brand for the Messages app, I worked really closely with product management to come up with a strategic plan so that as this redesign lived out in the wild, so to speak, we had a plan for the years to come. And so while RCS was our big bet for the future, we wanted to make sure that the SMS reality of that time would be harmonious as our product matured over the years. So identifying future use cases versus current use cases really helped us identify these edge cases that would be prevalent current day that maybe wouldn't be so prevalent in our hopeful future. I get so proud when I see screenshots of text message conversations out there on social media. And sometimes you see SMS with RCS, that light blue bubble with that dark blue bubble. And I'm proud to say that we identified that edge case before it became an issue for our brand perception.
Congratulations on finishing this course from the Google UX Design Certificate. You can access the full experience, including job search help, and start to earn your certificate by clicking on the icon or the link in the description below. Watch the next video in the course by clicking here, and subscribe to our channel for more from upcoming Google career certificates.